In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you have no sound coming through your headset on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then we're going to scroll down to sound and we're going to go to audio output. Now you want to ensure that you can select controller headset from the output devices. And if you don't see a controller headset, that means your headset isn't plugged in properly or it's just not being recognized. So I definitely recommend you have a look, ensure it's connected properly. And if it's not popping up at all, I recommend you try your headset on a different device. Because if it doesn't work on a different device, it could just be that your headset's broken. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing is scrolling down and go to output to headphones and ensure it's not on voice chat only and ensure it's on all audio. Then we're going to go back to the left sidebar and we're going to go down to volume, and you want to ensure this headphones volume is turned up on your PS5. And if you have a volume dial on your actual headset, make sure that's turned up as well. Now, if it's still not working, go back to settings, and once you're in settings, go to accessories. Then we're going to go to controller general, and you want to ensure your DualSense wireless controller device software is up to date. Because if it's not, it can cause performance issues with headsets connected to the controller. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.